Hi everyone, and welcome to another lecture of XHTML and CSS. And in this lecture we will download a free template from the web, and I'll show you how to install that template or use that template as your personal website. So there are many, as I told you before, there are many websites out there which provide you with free templates that you can use. And instead of creating them from scratch and create all the code, you already have a lot of cool templates you can use already built. Okay, so let's try to type on Google free templates. So you have a lot of websites, Dream Template. All of these websites maybe have a subscription which you'll have to sign up, and then you'll have maybe free access to some of the templates on the website, but the most cool ones are only available through payment. So watch out for that. And I'm going to click here one of my favorite template websites, which is called, let me just change this to free template, and it's called freecsstemplates.org. Okay, so all of these are available for free. So I'm going to download this one here. You can preview all the templates to see which one you like most. Now let's try and download this template here. Download it. It's downloading. Okay. Already here. It's called well-formed zip. Now let's create a new file called well-formed. Let's open the zip file, and you'll see that you have several files and directories inside it. You have font, which probably have all sorts of fonts that it's using on the website or the template. Images. Now you have default.css and fonts.css. Now default.css is where you can manipulate all the CSS of the content. You have an index.html and a license. License is basically who created the template and which license he gives to users. Now let's grab all of this and put this on well-formed. Okay, now you can delete the zip, and let's open well-formed. Okay, now the main files that we're going to manipulate is default.css and index.html. Now if you open index.html, you have all the main code of the page or the template here. Okay, as you can see, you have comments here where it says where does this template come from, freecsstemplates.org, the name of the template, the release, the version. Okay, all this is very important to see where does this template come from. Let's run this template or open this template with Chrome, and here it is. Okay, great. Okay, so this is the template, little logo, several links, and this would be a very simple website as well. Okay, now all these images can be changed by you, and all, as you can see here, all this content can be changed by something about your company or your application or whatever you want to put in there. Okay, so pretty cool. And basically this is how we can use already built templates without creating templates from scratch. Okay, all the code from scratch. Now in some cases, some of the templates you need to put the links here. Okay, complete the links, because you can see here in the navigational bar, if you go here and click, nothing happens. Okay, it doesn't take me to another page. That's because, as you can see here, this is not complete. We have to link this to another page and create another page of the website. But you already know how to do that, so it's up to you to do that and create your website with an already built template. Okay guys, now there's also another thing I want to mention. for several different types of browsers, or let's say you have Internet Explorer version 6 or an old version of Internet Explorer, for different versions and types of browsers, the display of the content or the display of a template, it's really, it might be different, okay? So in some cases, you might have errors, or the website would be perfectly displayed on Chrome, but maybe it has some problems displaying in an old version of Internet Explorer. So in order to have a website that is compatible in all versions and all browsers, I recommend you guys to read a very, very good article in W3C, which is this article here, okay? Optimizing content for different browsers the right way. Now, to find this page, you just type optimizing content for different browsers the right way, search it, and there it is. The first one, click it, and I really recommend you guys to read all this, okay? Because it teaches you how you can display every single template or every single website correctly for all browsers, okay? Or all different versions of the browsers. Okay, guys? So this is a very important recommendation. And that's basically it, okay? See you guys on the next lecture. Bye.